Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Shiera and my student ID number is 231152108. Today, I will talk about the computer software in my study or work. Before that, let me tell you about software. Software refers to a set of instructions or programs that tell a computer what to do. It encompasses all the intangible components of a computer system, including application, operating system, utilities, and middleware. Software plays a crucial role in enabling users to perform various tasks on computer and other electronic devices, ranging from simple calculation to complex data analysis, multimedia editing, and communication. It continues to evolve rapidly, driven by advances in technology and user needs. Here are some common categories of software. The first one is, of course, operating system or OS. As mentioned earlier, an operating system is the fundamental software that manages computers' hardware, resources, and provides service for computers' programs. Example includes Windows, Mac OS, Linux, iOS, Android, and Chrome OS. And then application software. These are programs designed to perform specific tasks or functions for end users. Examples include word processors such as Microsoft Word, Google Docs, and spreadsheets like Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, email clients like Microsoft Outlook, Gmail, web browsers such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and media players like VLC and iTunes, and graphic design software like Adobe Photoshop or GIMP. And programming software. These are tools used by developers to create, debug, and maintain software applications. Examples include integrated development environments like Visual Studio, Clips, and JetBrains, as well as text editors like Sublime Text, Atom, and Visual Studio Code. And the other is utilities like WinRAR or 7-zip. And then middleware, example is MySQL, Oracle, and development tools like Jenkins and Travis CI. So the main topic is about three software. There is application software, programming software, and system software. And I will compare the software that I use in daily life to study or work with the software that my non-IT friend use. Software that I use is for the application software. There is Google Chrome, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Excel, WebS, PDF, WhatsApp, Spotify, Figma, Balsamiq, Discord, Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Adobe Acrobat, Google Meet, Canva, and Telegram. And for programming software, I have Berlin C++ Builder 6, QGIS, Arduino IDE, and Visual Studio Code. And for the system software, I use Windows. And for my non-IT friends software, they use application software like Google Chrome, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Excel, WhatsApp, Telegram, Spotify, Zoom, Google Meet, and Canva. For programming software, they are not use any of the programming software. And for the system software, they are use Windows. Okay, let's answer this question. For question 1, what are the difference between the IT and non-IT software you have listed? Difference between IT and non-IT software. The main difference lies in the presence of programming software in the IT software list, which includes tools like Berlin C++, Builder 6, QGIS, Arduino IDE, and Visual Studio Code. They are used for coding, development, and technical tasks, which are typically not used by non-IT users. Additionally, the IT software list seems to include more specialized tools like Figma, Balsamiq, and Discord, which cater to specific needs like designs and communication, which might not be common among non-IT users. Second question number 2, which is the cheapest. The cheapest software, many of the software lists for both IT and non-IT purposes are free to use, such as Google Chrome, WhatsApp, Telegram, Zoom, Google Meet, and Visual Studio Code. Therefore, in terms of cost, this will be the cheapest option for both categories of users. Question number 3, which is the most expensive. The most expensive software is the system software, specifically the operating system is Windows, which in this case is Windows. Operating systems typically come with a significant cost compared to individual application or programming software. Which is the most or least reliable? Reliability can vary depending on factors like stability, support, and updates. Generally, system software like the operating systems or Windows is designed to be highly reliable as it forms the foundation for running other software. Among application and programming software, reliability can vary based on individual experience and system compatibility. And I can think of any software that not reliable. Question number 5, which is the most difficult or easiest to use? The difficulty of use can vary based on individual familiarity and the complexity of tasks. Programming software like Berlin C++, Builder 6, and QGIS may be considered more challenging to use for non-IT users due to their technical nature. Not only for them, but I find it challenging to use it too. On the other hand, application software like Google Chrome, Microsoft Word, and WhatsApp are typically designed with user-friendly interface, making them easier to use for a wider audience. Question number 6, which is the best or worst? Determining the best software depends on specific needs and preference. For example, Microsoft Word might be considered the best for word processing tasks, while Adobe Acrobat will be the best for PDF editing. Similarly, preference for communication tools like Zoom or Discord may vary based on features and user experience. Without specific criteria, it's challenging to label any software as the best or worst universally. And I personally think that I don't have any worst software. And the last question is, which is the most or least user-friendly? In terms of user-friendliness, application software like Google Chrome, Microsoft Word, and WhatsApp are typically designed to be highly intuitive and user-friendly, catering to a broad user base. On the other hand, programming software like Berlin C++, Builder 6, and Visual Studio Code, QGIS might be less user-friendly for non-technical users due to their complexity and specialist feature, but it is too a little bit not user-friendly for me. However, user-friendliness can also be subjective and depend on individual familiarity and preference. In conclusion, while both IT and non-IT software serve various purposes and cater to different user needs, there are noticeable differences in terms of functionality, complexity, and target audience. IT software typically includes programming tools and specialized applications tailored for technical tasks, while non-IT software focus more on general productivity, communication, and entertainment. The cost, reliability, ease of use and user friendliness of software can vary based on individual preference and specific requirements. Ultimately, the choice of software depends on the user needs, expertise, and personal preference. And that's all from me. Sorry for my poor English, and thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.